Hey everyone, welcome to Canva's Crusade. Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI-generated images in Canva in just a few steps. You can then use this image in the Mockups section of Canva. Let's dive right in. First, let's jump into Canva. As you can see, I already have my project open. To get started, we'll use Canva's Magic Media app, which is their AI-powered image generator. You can find it right here in the apps section. Now, I'll write a prompt to generate my image. I'm going to write the prompt I'm using in this video description if you want to read it. Canva will generate 4 different image options for us. With Canva's Magic Media, you get 500 credits each month to generate images, and each prompt gives you 4 options. Once you've picked your favorite image, simply click to save it. You can store all your AI-generated images in the Upload section for easy access later. For this project, I'm also using the Magic Expand tool of Canva. Here I can expand my design for the whole page. Also gives me 4 options and I can use the one I like the most. Before we add the finishing touches to our design, if you're working on Halloween projects and looking for some cool fonts, check out my video on Halloween theme fonts. You'll find tons of great options for your spooky designs. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below so you can check it out after this tutorial. Now that we've got our image, let's add some text. Canva's AI images are fully customizable, so I'll add a fun title to complete this Halloween design. In just a few clicks, our design is ready. And that's it. In just a few steps, we created a custom AI-generated image using Canva. Whether you're designing for social media, print, or even a website, Canva's AI image generator makes this process faster and easier. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more Canva tutorials from Canva's Crusade. Take care.